Hi everyone, welcome to Campus Pathshala. I am Rishikesh Kushwaha, and today I am going to share my journey of how I cracked TCS Digital as a systems engineer and prolifics as a software engineer trainee during my college final year. In my experience, starting from the aptitude round, moving to the coding round, and finally the interview process. Be with me till the end. I will be also sharing some bonus tips and resources that help me succeed. Plus, if you have any doubts or want more guidance, I have added my LinkedIn profile where you can connect with me directly. So let's get started. The first challenge was the aptitude round for all the thesis candidates who are giving thesis and Q2. This section covered three major parts: numerical ability, verbal ability, and logical reasoning. I realized early on that time management is the key to clearing this round. I focused on practicing mock tests that were specific to TCS patterns, like those on PrepInsta and Geeks for Geeks. Solving previous year papers has always helped me, and understanding the type of questions coming in the exams has improved my speed. A pro tip is don't just practice randomly. Focus on the improving your weaker areas and the high consistent coming marks questions. It is a very important aptitude section. Now, advanced section 1. There will be two sections in it. First, the advanced aptitude, second, advanced logical, and in the advanced round 2, it will be consisting of three coding questions and some of the technical MCQs also. In my time, there was two coding questions. Next came the coding round. For TCS Digital, I faced two coding questions. Nowadays, in 2025, in NQT, there will be three coding questions. So, first one was easy, and second one was based on the data structures and algorithms. This was for thesis. Now, coming to the prolifics, the coding round had a stronger focus on Java concepts, OOP principles, and practical coding logic. The aptitude was more or less the same as thesis. I dedicated time to platforms like LeetCode, Codeforces, and HackerRank to improve my coding skills. Practicing problems on sorting, algorithms, string manipulation, and recursion proved to be extremely helpful. Simple tip will be focus on understanding the logic behind code instead of just mesmerizing the solutions. It helps you adapt quickly when the questions get tricky. Coming to my technical interview at TC's, my interviewer focused on Java basics, OOPS concept like inheritance, polymorphism, data structures like stack, queue, and SQL queries were there, and more questions were there from my CV. And some tricky questions and error finding was also there, which I will be going to explain in my upcoming videos, which will be basically based on the interview process. And the HR interview was also there, and which they asked like common questions. Tell me about yourself, why TCs, where do you see yourself in 5 years? And some more questions was also there, which I'm going to discuss in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned, stay focused, and do hit the like button and subscribe our channel, Campus Pathsala. Thank you.